Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today my look is going to be very different and it is very variable like all the looks I do. I see like I don't like a lot of fun looks, creative looks which many do carry in their like channels or their Instagram. It's not just that inspires me to do look like that. So I always do something creative but that is really variable. So this is also one of those, but this has a little bit of fun element in it. And yeah, I am trying some new products in this. You'll get to know while we watch it. So let's begin without further ado. Using the expert brush from Real Techniques, and I will start blending it on my crease. You can see it's hella pigmented. Now that it is a bit smoothed out, I'm gonna use orange soda just on the top part to like create a transition. There is the Pelosi base. I'm gonna use it to carve some of my inner side, and I'm not going to create like a very dramatic look, but it's like a soft transition, so I do want a little bit of difference in the inner and outer colors, so that's why I'm taking a little bit just like that. You can see the color is gone there, and there is just a concealer, the orange soda plus the shade Tempera. So it is a little lighter than orange soda, but it is not so flat white or cream. And now I'm gonna use Rustic plus orange soda once again just on the outer edge. Now I'm just gonna use Rustic on the bottom lash line. So this is the Colourpop pot liner. It is a cream gel color in the shade Stomper, which is like a brown reddy kind of shade. I will use two eyeliner brushes for this. One is a Morphe 1x16, which is an angled brush, and the other one is the straight thin sharp liner brush, which is 250O, which is the 0 number brush, the smallest brush they have. So I'm gonna use the smallest brush for the top lid. I will be winging it with the angled brush. This is one of my first haul products from the Colourpop brand when they launched and they started delivering in India. Okay, so it reminds me of my initial makeup hauls. So you can see brown looks so elegant. It's not always a black liner that does the job. So it's like very creamy, though I have added Duralane before using because it was in my collection. It's been many months. Now going in with the liner, the angled liner brush again, which is 160 1x16. Yeah, I just elongated a bit so you can see it looks like thick on the outer edge, but there is a thin wing on the outer, so it's like a cat eye kind of look. I really love it. I also have to bring it down because I'm smoking on the lower lashes, and I'm gonna use it on the waterline though. I never like to do that. Also extending it on the lash line, so it's like a thick liner, just not on the waterline. Taking the Rustic shade, little bit, not just a lot. This is the Anastasia brush, the dual-ended, which comes with their palettes. I love it. I really love this natural look. I love how it has turned out to be. With few steps, it looks so jazzy and so nice. I mean, you can easily wear this in events, but it's also very like outgoing, simple event kind of look. Okay, now talking about this because it is not yet finished. My next product is the BFF mascara from Colourpop. Yay! But this is a blue one. Oh my god. What happened to you? Where is your favorite mascara? Where is your Benefit Cosmetics? What happened? I don't know. I just wanted to play a little bit with some fun colors today. Oh god, these packets are sometimes so... I normally end up tearing them. Okay, I have the... Let's go a bit closer because it's gonna be fun to see. This looks amazing. Amazing. I mixed awesome and amazing, so amazing. It looks graceful. I love it. It doesn't look like a clown or crazy. It looks glam and beautiful. I love it. I like perfect right now, of course ignoring this. So I'll be doing my left eye and be right back and do the rest of the face in a fast forward motion. I don't want to make this video 15 minutes long, so I'll be back. Oh my god, this sounds dangerous. I mean, toxic. I don't want to use the blue eye mascara again and again. I think I will use this a lot. I love this. This is not like in the formula, in the way it works on the lashes. It's not the best mascara. Might Cosmetics Benefit are still, in my best list. But I love how the color matches with brown eyeshadow, the brown kohl, the liner. Oh god, I love how it turned out to be. Now let's go on with the face because I don't want to waste your time talking all that about the mascara alone. Let's do about the face. Coming on to the loose powder, this one beats it all. The Hourglass Magic Veil Pot. Milani Tea Rose. I love this if I don't want to focus on my cheeks a lot, but it is very light. I can use a very heavy pigment of this. It looks so natural. It is perfect for, I think, a neutral skin tone that is light. Okay guys, on my lips I'm using the NYX Suede in Sandstorm. I had like these three options. This is the Sandstorm, this is Colourpop Paper, and this is Dose of Colors Stone. And I like this because it is neutral. It is not very warm, not pinky. So final look. Hope you guys liked it and enjoyed watching it. If you loved anything about this look, do comment below, hit like and subscribe for future videos. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.